My name is Matt Ivani. I'm a partner at Full Funnel. We're a go-to-market and revenue operations services company. I'm going to show you how to make outbound campaign reporting inside of Instantly and Heyreach a dynamic and contextual experience. So first off, what's the problem? The problem is that all sales teams are doing lots and lots of outbound prospecting. They're doing it through tools like SalesLoft, Gong, Outreach. A lot of people use things like Instantly or other tool sets like Instantly to do secondary domain email, use Heyreach or Dripify to do what is effectively LinkedIn social prospecting. And all reporting usually is this like linear and very static set of data. It's really like how many opens, how many replies. It's always lacking this contextual aspect. Most organizations will rely on human capital, so human beings to rifle through all this data and come up with sort of suggestions, assertions, so on and so forth. So the thought process is like, why can't you just build an automated self-optimization type of reporting structure? And we've been working on this at Full Funnel for a long time. We have kind of completely automated this function now, but I'll show you kind of what we were doing a few months ago, which will give you a good sense on how you can do very contextual reporting for your outbound campaigns, leveraging Heyreach and Instantly. So first off, what I'll do is I'll switch over to n8n real quick and just show you kind of what we're doing. So ultimately, very simply put, we essentially have built a workflow that is going into Instantly, going into Heyreach. It's extracting all of these specific campaign data for a campaign that we will select through a request process. Then what it's doing is sending all of that data through an agent that has been programmed to quantify and qualify every piece of data that we're getting back. All the messages, all the replies, all the connect rates, like every aspect of it is being digested by this agent that we've essentially programmed to act as an outbound campaign manager. Then what's going on is that that particular agent is going to produce what is effectively a AI generated or synthetically generated content overview, campaign overview. It's going to give you all of this contextual information about what exactly happened inside of this campaign, things that you want to look for, things that are good, things that are bad, whatever it might be. Now, this particular UI UX is not really something that we think people are going to be really psyched on. And so what we do then is we rely on tools like Gamma, where we're actually coming in and piping that information into Gamma and being able to create an incredibly detailed and aesthetically pleasing, but very contextual analysis about the actual campaign itself. So if you think about this, you can use this for individual campaign reporting. You can then build all sorts of campaign reports that are then crawled by other agents to look for macro trending, analysis across programs, so on and so forth. And what we're really showcasing here is this is number one happening outside of the CRM, which is really interesting. You can use this same logic, whether it's for Instantly or Heyreach, like I'm showing you here, but this pretty much works with anything as long as you can extract the information about the particular campaign. Outbound, inbound, paid, really doesn't matter. You just need to be able to digest that information, agentically contextualize it, and then essentially create a UI UX that you're interfacing with. And we like Gamma is one that we've been messing around with quite a bit. And that is how you create next level reporting for your outbound campaigns. Hope all is well. Thanks.